Carolus Linnaeus published करे तीनटा बुक. One is called as Species Plantarum, one is called as Systema Naturae, and one is called as Philosophia Botanica. Okay. তাহলে according to Species Plantarum and according to Carolus Linnaeus, in May 1st, 1753, certain criteria that is called as agreed criteria. According to NCERT, the point is called as what? Agreed criteria means all scientists at that time was agreed to that principle, to that phenomenon. Agreed criteria and principles. Carolus Linnaeus provide some concept or some rules for the nomenclature of plants. For example, the torch-me-not plant is called as Mimosa pudica. Potato plant is called as Solanum tuberosum. Mango plant is called as Mangifera indica. Wheat plant is called as Triticum aestivum. And China rose is called as Hibiscus sinensis. अच्छा पिलाने देखो प्लांट माने को नोमेनक्लेचर हला माने प्लांट माने पूरा खुशी रे पूरा डांस करछन प्लांट माने को देखा आज हमर नोमेनक्लेचर हो गेला आज उठे पूरा रोमांटिक पार्टी हो होटल बुक केला ओसिमम सांचम जहा तुमको तो तुलसी गछ ओसिमम सांचम से देई पूरा नाचुची पूरा से टिके पटरे पके देइची पूरा आराम रे नाचुची डांस करूची आलू ता साइड रे नाचुची सोलानम की बरोजन तो भी कोबी ता साइड रे बुलिका नाचुची तो ये जितने नाचुचंती सेही पटे बाटे किछि प्लांट मानक बाटे किछि एनिमल मान जाउथि